Welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, Fetch AI continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a significant area of support at around the $0.5 mark, and as long as that key area of support continues to hold, I'm still expecting higher prices, where we can easily see Fetch AI break above resistance at around the $0.58 mark, and a break above that with a successful retest. Then we can easily see Fetch AI get above the $0.6 mark in the next coming hours. Fetch AI has also continued to obey the EDIO12 structures, and zooming out here on the charts to give you my EDIO12 analysis, you can see that we saw these significant lows back on the 17th of August before we saw this impulse giving us the high for this wave 1 above the $0.27 mark. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2. And after seeing the formation of that wave 2, we saw a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5 in a move that has now given us a high above the $0.58 mark. And there are high chances that Fetch AI has now completed a 5-wave structure to the upper side in what we can now term as a larger EDIO12 count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of this wave 1, whatever we expect in the next coming hours is a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, and once you have a low in place for that wave 2, whatever we expect next is another impulsive move to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, where I will easily expect Fetch AI to get us above the $1 mark in the formation of that wave 3. And to give you the minimum target areas for this second wave, using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to that high for that wave 1, we can get a minimum retracement area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618, and that is between the 0.43 and the $0.3305 mark, the area that I have highlighted on the chart. And this is the area within which we can expect to see Fetch AI give us a pullback into, give us a low in place for this wave 2 before we can continue seeing higher prices in the formation of this wave 3. Alternatively, in case we continue holding above support and maybe at some point we see another increase in the buying momentum in a move that can give us a push above resistance at the $0.58 mark, then there are high chances that we are going to see one more high in the formation of that larger EDIO12 count 1 above the $0.6 mark. And maybe once we have a high in place for that, that is one more new high above the $0.6 mark, then we can have new target areas for this second wave. So that is the price action that I'm watching out on the short term here on the Fetch AI chart. Zooming out even further to now give you my long-term EDIO12 analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. If I zoom out to last year, you can see that back in November, we saw our lows at around the $0.0525 mark. And after seeing those lows, we picked in a 5-wave structure, giving us a high above the $0.6 mark, completing the formation of this wave 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we saw another pullback in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that wave 3 above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $1 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that third wave to the upper side to do. So that is what I'm watching out here on the Fetch AI chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.